Crypto billionaire 69, now 70. Back with another daily in-depth technical analysis video on Dogelon Mars, my beautiful friends. Let's get straight into the charts. We're checking the crypto fear and greed index. Let's get it. Yesterday we saw a big major spike, 30% to the upside, 40% to the upside. Extreme fear. It's a beautiful buying opportunity. Been saying this for the past week because it truly is, my beautiful friends. So let's get straight into it. Now we have seen a retracement here, and I'm guessing that's correlating with the Bitcoin price as well, and I'll check that right now. Because it's very important. See, we are approaching the $30,000 levels on Bitcoin, which is a beautiful thing. The reason this is happening is because everybody thought it wouldn't happen. Keep that in mind. So, we did see this momentum kind of stagger around these previous resistance levels here, around these $35,000 levels, which is a beautiful thing. However, we want to watch these $30,000 levels now, and it's going to be major that we hold these $30,000 levels in the coming days, because that will create a double bottom, and it will be very bullish if we create a double bottom and move to the upside. Now, we will definitely see some buying pressure around these $30,000 levels, and quite frankly, I think we're going to hold just because we have seen such a steep drop in such a short amount of time. It will take a lot of sellers to break through these $30,000 levels. Now, I think we'll bounce off the first time, and from there, it just depends on the news. It depends on the volume, the buyer stepping in, and everything that's going on. But we want to watch these $30,000 levels. As we drop, we will continue to drop with Dogelon Mars as well. We need to watch these 5 levels for support, all right? Beautiful buying opportunities this whole way around. Want to watch these 5 levels for support. Going to break through these 637s today, I'm assuming. Drop down here. Because as Bitcoin overall market retraces, so will Dogelon Mars, my friends. Now, I'll give you 2 scenarios what we need to watch out for. Let's get into the 2 hourly candles. Alright, here we have seen some major support here. What we want to watch is for this to come down, touch this major support, and then bounce back up with volume, just like we saw here. See how it bounced up with volume? Beautiful. We want to see that again. And if that happens, that is called a double bottom. 1, 2. There will be 2 bottoms, and it's a bullish sign signaling, indicating that this 5 level is major support. That's what we want to see. This volume is tapering up, which means there's a lot more transactions going through in these lower time frames, all right? Last time we saw volume this big was here, but it wasn't even that big here. So last time we saw volume this big was around these areas, all right? Cool. Crypto billionaire 69. Join the Patreon for real-time buy and sell alerts and daily updates on the overall market, because I will alert you guys the best times to get in, and once we spike, I will help you guys average out and make the most amount of profits in these beautiful coins. Alright, Bitcoin chilling. Dogelon Mars is chilling. Let's get into the news, the Twitter. I have not checked the Twitter in a good little second, so we are going to check it right now. I'm curious to see what's going on. 525,000 followers. I started following this at 140,000 followers. It's a bull thing. It's a bull thing. Very bullish thing. All right. Crypto Messiah is retweeting. Crypto Messiah is a legend. He has many followers, and he is a major whale. Has flipped Link to become the most traded token among the top 1,000 ETH whale wallets. Cool. See, this is where we are. This is where a lot of other people are. Paul. Oh, man, yeah. In the ruins of Yolvika have taught us anything. It's that the planet is run by psychic fungus. Okay. That's just like roleplay. Cool stuff. staying in character. You know the vibes. But yeah, it's a good thing we are still growing. Now, I don't know how many of these are bot accounts, but it doesn't really matter. The hell was that? I don't like watching that stuff. But yeah, 1,000 likes. That's okay. It's we are in a bearish market, so I'm sure the engagement kind of drops there. Whenever we are spiking, everyone's happy. Whenever we drop, everyone's sad, except for the people that are actually smart and make the right investment decisions. Crypto Billionaire 69. Check out the Patreon. Got a few spots left. All you beautiful people, I believe there's 43 people now. You guys are all legends, and we're learning, getting in on the best prices. And yeah, Dogelon Mars. We got to watch these 5 levels. Double support. If we make that double support, along with Bitcoin making this double support here, then it will be a very bullish sign that we will hold these support lines at the $30,000 levels and the $5 levels. Now, I think it's really funny how people thought this year was going to end at the $80,000 levels up here, right? It's not. That's not how it works. It goes to the $80,000 levels after everybody is out. So I do believe this is a retracement before our next leg higher in the overall market. And yes, the overall market really does matter because this is what everything follows, okay? We got to see some major support on the 618 again before we move higher. And the craziest thing is that we are following pattern with Dogelon Mars as well. So, look at this, right? 786, we showed some buying pressure around this area. Now, it would be nice to see some more buying pressure, buyers step in to push it higher and not allow it to drop below the 786 level. Because if it does, it's not the most bullish thing. However, it's only doing it because the overall market is dropping as well. Every other coin is also dropping, so it's a normal thing. We just gotta wait until everything recovers, and it will recover. It always recovers, or else no one will make money. Even the big players, it has to recover for the big players to make money. All right, Crypto Billionaire 69. I will catch you guys in the next freaking video. Stay tuned because we are coming in hot, new videos every day, and I really wanna help you guys make the best decisions. All right. Look at this. Look at this real in-depth analysis right here. All right. We saw this break to the downside right here. So if you shorted this, it's a good news for you. It's a good news for you because we are showing we have turned this previous support into new resistance, and it's bouncing off the top, making a triple top. Now it needs to break through this 646 level to the downside, right? You'll probably see some buying pressure here. However, hold. If you want to scale out a little bit, that's all right. It's for all the day traders out there, all right? You want to scale out a little bit. If it shows some buying pressure, that's okay. However, it will most likely come back down to these 5 levels, create a double bottom before we move to the upside. Now we have seen a nice retracement. It's currently retracing to the 0.5 fib level. I would assume, just simply based on looking at it, let's draw her out. Yeah, around the 0.618, 0.5. So the 0.5 was the previous resistance that it broke through. Now it's really hanging out in this range here. So we want to watch for a break to the upside, break to the downside, before we average in, average out. Whatever you day traders, beautiful day traders, are doing. If you want to learn how to day trade, all these super in-depth techniques that I have used to make a living with crypto, check out the course in the description. It is not finished. However, I am posting periodically new videos. So you will learn the one trading strategy that got me to making 5 figures. Got me out of my freaking 9-to-5 job at McDonald's. And now trading crypto for a living. It's a beautiful thing, my friends. Beautiful thing, and everyone can do it. Crypto Billionaire 69. I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Peace, my beautiful friends.